माता, अध्यापकों और मेरे सभी प्यारे दोस्तों, आपको बहुत अच्छी सुबह की शुभकामनाएं। आज हम अपने देश से सबसे महत्वपूर्ण राष्ट्रीय त्योहार मनाने के लिए यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं। आज का दिन हम सभी भारतवासियों के लिए आनंद, उत्साह और अभिमान का दिन है। इस वर्ष भारत 75वां स्वतंत्रता दिन मना रहा है। आप सभी को इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल वंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
On this auspicious day, how can we forget the glorious past and immense sacrifices of innumerable martyrs whose priceless sacrifices laid the foundation of independent India? India's Independence Day is not only a day of celebrations, it is a day of remembrance. Now, I invite Rosemary Jill to take us to the past India.
Legacy of Bharat. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea, after his death, incarnates itself in 1,000 lives. Subhash Chandra Bose. Good morning, everyone. As you all know, today is Independence Day, the day when each Indian remembers the moment that came rarely in history, when we stepped out from the old to the new, when an age ended and when the soul of a nation long suppressed found utterance. Independence Day is celebrated religiously throughout the country on the 15th of August every year. It reminds every Indian about the dawn of a new beginning from the clutches of British colonialism of more than 200 years. On this day, India declared independence to life and freedom. So let's start right from the very beginning, the time when India was a destination for spices by traders all over the world. The new sea route to India paved the way for the group of sailors from Portugal under the leadership of Vasco da Gama to anchor in 1498 at Kapar near Calicut. With this, the Indo-Portuguese trade began. Following the Portuguese, the European forces such as Dutch, the English and the French also reached India for trade, which gave rise to competition for the monopoly of trade. Portuguese and Dutch lost their footing in the competition at the very beginning itself, and ultimately the English defeated the French and gained the monopoly of trade. Next, the company captured power in Bengal through the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and established their rule in entire Bengal by winning the Battle of Buxar in 1764. The British continued to conquer other princely states who all became a threat to their trade. The different strategies used by the British to annex the princely states included the subsidiary alliance and the doctrine of lapse. They soon became the rulers of India. By 1857, even people who were loyal to the company turned against them. The Indian soldiers in the British army and the kings who lost their hereditary rights as per the doctrine of lapse led the first mass revolt against the company rule, which is considered as the first war of Indian independence in 1857. Though the revolt failed, it upheld a sense of unity in the people of India, irrespective of religion. It also brought many administrative changes in India. The Queen proclaimed an end to the rule of English East India Company in 1858 and India came under the direct rule of the British Queen. By the 19th century, several reform movements evolved to eradicate social evils. A number of regional organizations also came into existence that gave priority to region-wise problems. This necessitated the formation for a national organization. On 28 December 1885, the Indian National Congress was formed to make the agitations against the British a national movement. The arrival of Gandhiji led to massive participation of people. Gandhiji led many agitations against exploitations by British. The agitations for civil rights included the Rowlatt Act, Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, Salt Satyagraha and Quit India movement. In the agitations against the Rowlatt Act, Gandhiji called for a country-wide protest, observing 6 April 1919 as Black Day. In Punjab, due to the arrest of the leaders of this protest, a public meeting was held at Jallianwala Bagh. The British soldiers who fired at this unarmed crowd killed more than 1,000 people, and this dreadful event is known as the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The non-cooperation movement was a mass protest that was carried out until the Chauri Chaura incident, which forced Gandhiji to call it off. Parallel to Gandhian strategies, several armed struggles were also organized during this period. Leaders like Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev formed the Hindustan Republic Association that aimed at preparing the youth for struggle. They became martyrs for the cause. The civil disobedience movement under the leadership of Gandhiji was launched in April 6, 1930 with the Salt Satyagraha. Gandhiji led the Dandi March to use salt as a weapon to organize stronger mass movement in the Indian freedom struggle. There was a person who believed that India's independence was not the charity of British, but to be achieved through struggles. He is Subhash Chandra Bose, affectionately called Netaji by Gandhiji. It was his contribution to address Gandhiji as father of the nation. He urged the people to fight against the British through his famous proclamation, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." He took the leadership of the Indian National Army with the courage and patriotism, inspiring many to become martyrs in the freedom struggle with the slogan of Jai Hind. The British again suppressed such efforts of freedom struggle by means of armed force. In 1942, a remarkable mass movement called the Quit India movement was launched against the British to hand overall administrative powers to Indians and to quit India. Gandhiji gave the mantra of "do or die" to be imprinted in our hearts so that every breath of ours gave expression to it. The Indian freedom movement is an unparalleled mass movement in history. Gandhiji could unite different sections of Indians against the British. With the peaceful agitations based on the ideals of truth and non-violence, Gandhiji's leadership was able to uproot the British rule. On the midnight of 14th August 1947, the dream of a nation came true. The sacrifice of the lives of freedom fighters and decades of struggle saw light. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. I conclude my words. Wish you all Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
India is a land of colors, festivals, traditions, monuments, cultures, foods, and lot more. India upholds the saying unity in diversity. To make this day more special, here comes our shining stars to showcase their talent.
My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattivar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattivar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
Thank you, children, for the impressive performance.
Freedom and power brings responsibility. Today is the day to remember our great leaders who accomplished the task of gaining independence for the nation. In this special occasion, I extend my warm welcome to our principal, Sister Teresa Anthony, to convey today's message.
Dear parents, teachers, students, and well-wishers, today is our Independence Day. Our freedom fighters fought for India and won freedom from Britishers with no weapon in their hands. But today, people fight for each other, for their freedom with weapons in their hands. There is a lot of disunity, killing, and dowry killing, etc. that are going on in this world. My dear students, what I would like to tell you is today, be persons of sending vibrations of peace in the lives of people and become a message to the world. Let there be no disunity, disharmony among people, and become good citizens of this world as you grow day by day in your life. Let your life become a message to the world. Fight for freedom with no weapons in your hand. Let you enjoy good freedom in this world as you celebrate this Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Have a nice time.
Freedom in mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation. Now I call upon Aromal to perform patriotic song.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। उजड़े नहीं अपना चमन, टूटे नहीं अपना वतन, गुमराह ना कर दे कोई, बर्बाद ना कर दे कोई। मंदिर यहाँ, मस्जिद यहाँ, हिंदू यहाँ, मुस्लिम यहाँ, मिलते नहीं हम प्यार से। जागो हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान से कहूँगी हम, सब ही तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है।
Thank you, Arumal, for the wonderful tribute.
Like any other form of art, dance has no barriers. Dance to the rhythm of your heart and you will feel happiness like never before. Coming up next is a dance performance which will fill our heart with patriotism. So let's watch the performance.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। से नहीं, जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। हाय तेरी मिट्टी में गुल बन के मैं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, वो तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Thank you, dears, for your mind-blowing performance. In a democracy, the well-being, individuality, and happiness of every citizen is important for the overall prosperity, peace, and happiness of the nation. On this occasion of great pride and honor, I take immense pleasure to wish you all a happy